Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to review this sunshade right here. It is the Pigenius sunshade for the 2024 and 25 Rangers. They got their nice little logo right here on it. So we're going to test it out and see how much it actually does help block the sun out from like deteriorating your interior and even like the sun and the temperature and stuff. So it's about 90 degrees today, and like I put this thermometer out here. I can barely touch it. I sat it right here where the sun's gonna be hitting it real good. And it is like, you can't even hardly touch this, and it's clean up to 120. So we're gonna leave this here and then put our sunshade in and see how it cools down. After you get it finagled in here, it actually fits really nice, and you got to use your sunshades to help hold it up. But it actually fits like really nice. I know it's been like wrapped up, you know, for a while, but like it fits really nice against all the lines and stuff, you know, for, you know, giving. So again, like I have my windows tinted too, so that helps. But I believe like most of the sun comes in the windshield to like deteriorate your dash plastics and everything. So we're going to see how much cooler it gets. Here's an example of like sun deteriorating. Like, see the color in this, and it's all like chalky now, and it scratches easy. I shouldn't have did that. And like even over here, like on this handle, it's all deteriorated. And it comes with a nice little carrying bag that you fold it up and put it in. It's got the logo on it. It fits neatly in there, and then you can just like store it wherever. Here is the Pigenius website for their actual products. They do sell them on Amazon. We'll cover that really quickly here. They have a 30-year focus on one mission, integrated design with research and development of production, and like kind of all that good stuff. You'll find more on Amazon, like I said. They have a couple advantages. It blacks out the sunlight. It reduces the temperature inside the car, which we tried to test also. It's made of safe and eco-friendly materials, which is pretty cool. There's a couple featured customer reviews, which is cool to have on their websites. And here they show a couple common drawbacks of other sunshades that are different shapes and all that, like the umbrella style and the double ring foldable style sunshades, which I feel like those are like, you know, in the past, those style sunshades, honestly. So here's their Amazon website on their product here that they show with on my specific truck, the Ranger, and you know, a couple little pictures on how you can get it out and stuff and all that, you know, advertising stuff and where it fits. You can get gray or silver. The silver's on the older Ranger. They are $60 if you would buy it on Amazon. This one's for the 24-25 Ranger. They do make them for the 19 to 23 Rangers, as you've seen in the picture there. Of course, it kind of just goes back over. It's custom modeled for each individual vehicle and all that. It's an accordion fold style, as you've seen. We are going to see how hot it is. We got the sunshade on here. It's been sitting out here all day. It's about 4 o'clock. It's about 84 degrees out. We got the more accurate temperature tester today. Still about 120 degrees in here on the same thing. So it's little, you know, I mean, the other thing was, let's get this out of here. The other thermometer was a little less accurate because it's just pegged at 120. But the same spot, I mean, the sun isn't hitting it. So it's not like physically as warm as it was. So that's a good thing, but we'll just have to see. Now that we have tested this, I know that really wasn't the best test per se, because I tested one with a actual thermometer, and then another day I tested it with a little like laser thermal thermometer, or whatever you want to call that, little laser heat gun that I use at work all the time to see how hot stuff is or how hot my heat gun is. But that was kind of like the best test we had, because it's not really been that hot anymore. It's been raining a lot now, and it's been cooler since then. Those were like some of the hottest days that we had this year to test this. But nevertheless, I think the main goal here with using this would be protecting your interior from like sun deterioration and like all the UV rays destroying all the plastics and wearing them out and fading them and stuff. It does probably help with the heat a little bit, but you got to figure, like, no matter where you park your vehicle at, there's going to be sun coming from the back window, the side windows, from either side. So it's kind of hard to just justify, you know, I get the windshield's the biggest window of them all, any vehicle, but you'd have to put sunshades on every single window to, like, completely block out and, like, try and completely eliminate the sun heating up your interior, guys. But so this was the sunshade video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we can do some more further tests on it and stuff, but I have been using it. It's very nice, very foldable, as you can see. Comes with the carrying case, as you saw. So thanks again, guys, and hope you watch another one.